guys, good afternoon. We are here at Santiago, which is part siya ng Caraga. And we're here sa Usan Point. Nandito makikita yung mga culture namin. Of course, I'm proud to be Mandaya. Like this one. Mga kubo. Kubo siya. Like, in the picture, ganito siya. Pero in real thing na mahawakan mo talaga, not just a picture here. Oh. Sorry. Oh, may nakalagay dito, hindi siya pwedeng hawakan. So ayun, tingin na lang tayo. And the Mandaya Chieftain. I don't know how to pronounce, pero yun na yun. Nakikita niya naman siguro. And this is the another view. Alam niyo guys, hindi ako magaling ma-explain, pero the Bagani, guardian of the land and tradition. Yung may mga bulaklak. Tapos, papasok ka, may mga dahon, maraming dahon, and everything. The hunter and the mythical dog may wave. I don't know what's the meaning of that, but, yeah. So, sorry sa buhok ko guys, pero, ay, apaka-pretty naman dito. Ay. So yun guys, si ano, alam nyo, may mga parts na nakakatakot, pero parang dito makakadaan ka sa hallway papunta doon, marami pa mga creatures like that. So yeah, so when you enter this, akala mo talaga totoo sila, diba? This is the tradition of the Mandaya. Hi po, good afternoon ulit. This is me when nakikiusap sa inyo na huwag nyo kami takutin, ganun. So, this is the Mandaya, like, kung totoo kang Mandaya, ganyan yung itsura mo dapat. Pero, I don't know kung Mandaya ba talaga ako. So, of course, yes. And, mayroon pang ganyan, oh. Yan siguro yung mga pinagkakitaan noon.
Bani.
Ganyan. Pero nakakatakot yung ano niya, di. Gumagalaw. Tapos yan. I'm a bit scared, but ito din, parang mga curtain siya before. So, we're good. Yeah, huwag na kami takutin. And in this, ganyan. Consulting the stars. What's this? Cultivating the land, hunting, fishing. So that's the example of mga pinagkakitaan siguro before. This, you know what's